Hi, we are here to explain to you how to use Nomads app. Let's get started. After you log in for the first time, you will have some options to explore. The most important is rank transfer, which will allow you to change your level if you have previous experience driving in the desert. If you wish to transfer your progress, navigate to rank transfer page, enter the number of drives you did, number of leads and number of support. If you drive with friends and you cannot recall how many drives you did, enter your best estimation. Then, upload one or more photos of your profile in other off-road clubs or in a private groups. And click Request Transfer. Let's navigate to all trips. You can do it from the menu or from the home page link. Here you will see the full list of active trips. You will see who is hosting the trip, the time, the location, and the level. There is also an indicator to show if the trip is full or not. From this list, you can just slide to the left if you want to immediately join the trip. Let's click on any trip to see more details. You now will be able to see the full trip details, the name, the level, the status of the trip, the date when the trip will happen, the time you should be reaching the location name and city, and the maximum allowed people on the trip. You will be able to copy the coordinates if you click on the coordinates button, and you can also click on navigate to open your preferred app to get directions to the trip meeting location. To join the trip, you just have to click on the join button. On the top, you will see a tag that shows if you are registered or not on the trip. You can also share the trip on your social media. You just have to click on the top button to share it. You will not be able to share it if the trip belongs to a private tribe. If you keep scrolling, you will find information about who is leading the trip, the description, and the participants. Now let's go to trip history. From the menu, you just click on trips history. You will be able to see the trips that are about to happen and the old trips. After you joined a trip and the trip has ended, you will see the status ended. This means that you can rate the leaders and supporters of the trip. You just need to click on the ended trip. You will find a tab called Rating, click on it, and you will find a list of the leaders and supporters of the trip. You can also rate the trip from the menu, click on Rate Trips. Also you can do it from the home page. If there is a trip that need the rating, you will see in this box. If you do not change the rate, the default rate will be 10. If you do change it, then just remember to click on Save when you are done. Please be objective in the rating. We are rating driving skills, which means how good is the driver, maturity, to know if the level of the trip was maintained and it was not above the level of the trip, and finally punctuality. You can also write feedback that will be only visible to the person you are rating. The ratings through the app are private. After 3 days, the trip ended. You will be able to see the tab of your score in the detail of the trip. You will see the overall score and the scores in each category. These scores are coming from the average rating between the leader and the supporters who have given you. Thank you for watching.